Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 22nd, and we are going to look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir is having a little bit of a down day today. So we are down 35 cents, 1.41%. We closed at 24.43. And the post-market, we are down just a little bit of a 3 cent. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. If we don't look at the chart, we cannot make sense of this up or down. We don't know if it's really bad or if it's just a pullback. So we have been trending above this support for a while. So we have been making higher lows. This is nice. And we have been making higher highs most of the time. And now yesterday, we opened outside of that support, but came back in. And also today, we are also outside of it a second time. So what I like to do when this happens, and you that the two lines here, the two lows are pretty much very close together. And if I do something like this, we are still on a support. So I am willing to change the support a little bit because sometimes the candles don't align perfectly and you need to adjust a trend line that you have drawn because things are getting adjusted a little bit differently. So this is perfectly normal. So we are still in this symmetrical triangle. So we see that this 35 cent pullback is not very critical because we are still on trend. We are still above that support. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to see if we cannot understand what is happening differently. So this is the first hour of the day. So we have a nice green candle for the first hour of the day. Then almost the exact opposite candle. Then we went down here below support, below our new support that we just did. And then we're pushed back up. And now, then the third hour green, fourth hour green, that was great. Then came down also. And we finished with a small green candle with a little bit of a buying pressure. And look at this, we are right smack on 24.34. So 34, 24, 34 is our intraday support. Nothing else to say much about the indicators. So DMI is still believing in this trend here because the green line is above the red line. And when DMI crosses where the red line is above the green line, then DMI thinks that things are going down. Let's go back to the daily chart to look at the indicators. So stochastic at 24.56. RSI, the strength of the stock is still trending up. I've got to be honest. I think that Palantir is climbing pretty steeply here, but it's still holding the support, so I cannot say anything bad. MACD still crossed over bullish, and DMI is still crossed over bullish also. Let's just wait still for 4 or 5 more days so that we can clear this resistance here and start looking at longer term move up. And also, if you are a member on Sunday, I'm going to look at the weekly chart for Palantir so that we can get an understanding of the more longer term technicals for that stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.